card.
Alright, cool.
Oh, yeah.
You've got it, haven't you?
No, you've got it.
No, Mark, you've just been to the room. Knob.
Que no, que mi profesora de práctica tiene un toin. Un chaval que tiene un toin.
Yeah. Try and where we have to turn off the film.
Rewind that.
What about me, my love?
Yeah.
Rewind it.
Oh yeah. Hey, it's nice. It's close to the beach, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I can't believe how close
Oh,
it is.
come here with our Chris Mark.
Yeah.
Walked down beachfront early one morning. There was a sign out. Coffee/brandy, €2.
Oh, can't believe.
Is that for
That's
€2 for a coffee and €2 for a brandy? Oh no,
No,
it was
no, no.
€2 for both. But I thought I'm come out there fucking steaming. So it cost us about €20. Where was it we stopped with?
Rose Jasmine.
Cos Jasmine, that's
No, the year before. Nope. Lockdown rules then.
Oh yeah.
See, we said we must be further past that. When we're coming back. I think this is Rose Jasmine there, Matt, on the right. So this is where we stayed when we came. This one here. It's a bit further up.
absolutely
tree there.
hundreds of parrots here, Mark.
Yeah, I know.
And mainly in these ones you'll find them all.
I have no idea where we're going, but we are going down to the town, apparently. Not so bad if you know where you're going.
You find your way.
Yeah.
You don't need to know. You just wander.
Wander.
I've got my sunglasses on. That's a big mistake.
What?
Brought you sunglasses.
I have brought my sunglasses, yeah, they're in my rucksack. I forgot to get them out.
We literally walked out the apartment right to here. You need to, did you have to?
Yeah.
Whoa! Hell. Slipped down the slope. Slope then. I nearly went then.
Yeah, this is it.
What's it? What's in there? Let's find out. Just nosy over the top of the sedge here. Find out what's going on. times, bought 3
Yeah, I
different
got
colours. Went to the same place 3 times and bought 3 different colours, so they'd be so comfy.
Oh,
So I've got to get another pair of these.
Is that Kangaroo market? Was that from the Pala? The Pala?
Yes.
I got some lovely ones. They are lovely here. And they were the comfiest thing. I think when I got them, they were all warm. They were comfy.
Oh, in the line.
Did you? Right, there's the roundabout, Matt. Isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, right.
Unless it's a bit further on again, Liz.
We have to.
Where we stopped last time.
All right.
Maybe.
Maybe it's a bit further down again. Maybe it's further down again.
All I know is they both had higher places on the floor. Maybe they just changed the hotel further back. Ah, but it's
It's lovely around here, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
that looks nice. They were doing that up, Matt,
It's,
when we
it's a
came.
different place to Belvedere, it's just down Costa.
Yeah, I know.
Totally different,
Yeah,
isn't
it is, yeah. Yeah, it is. You've got like a proper prom here.
Yeah,
You know, shops
Yeah.
and restaurants. So.
yeah, yeah. I think that fountain will be in the shot. €2, 8 pints. You can't argue with that.
room only, wasn't it?
Yeah. And we were in the rooms right way down the bottom. We had to wait for the shower system to get the hot water to come all the way around the hotel.
The old boy who was empty inside.
It was literally this first. You can see this, these steps here. The first one there, wasn't it?
What?
So through these up these steps, it was
Yeah,
the first
this one
apartment on the bottom.
Just here.
Yeah. We never went to the pool ever.
No,
Still the same.
still the same. As you remember
Yeah,
it.
literally. It was that door there, Mark.
With it.
That first door there were our room.
Like a trip back in time.
Yeah, I know.
So where
These were like what I bought, you know
where
what I'm
do
saying? I got
you used to go and drink then?
Huh?
What places you used to go and drink?
Goes a bit further down there on that side, cracking cocktail right away.
They're like pretty every
The cocktail, there's an Aussie bar.
One more? One more? No, you took bike rental, love.
Yeah, no, I said, well, no, we don't want a bike. Mark will be dead in this heat.
We've got motorbikes over there, mate.
Got motorbikes, let's hire them.
What can you get on this bike then? Trekking bikes.
You can hire the scooters to get out and about.
Oh, Bianchi, 40 euros for 1 to 2 days.
Not cheap.
You know, it's a good quality bike, so. Yeah. So it's like, these are proper like road bikes for people that want to go out in.
That are actually really adventurous like yourself.
Yeah.
This is where we stay.
Yeah. Warm. Clad in what? Irish bar. The clad egg.
Oh, the clad, yeah, that wasn't open when we came. It's only a little bit up there. When we were walking trying to find the hotel, I was going, this one looks really nice. This one looks really nice. Please don't tell me it's that shitty one that's on the left. Some lovely ones. No, they're nice. And they're comfy, aren't they, Ange? I've got some upstairs.
How many pairs of
How many holidays do you go on? You need some new ones
Yeah.
to rejuvenate the wardrobe a little bit more.
Oh, stick with the Crocs.
They're for night time.
These are for daytime, they're for night time.
Exactly.
So I'll get a pair on wear now.
That's a fancy statue in the middle of there as well.
I haven't brought my card.
You know? Oh, well, yeah, what's about it? Oh, get some more.
This is what I'm on about. See, you can hire these instead. Go off on an adventure. Never.
I've never been on it. I've only ever been on a Lambretta. That's only ever. I think I've driven myself. I've been on back of bikes.
Is it an automatic Lambretta or a gear change? Throttle? Automatic.
Oh, suits you that, Ange. Where does that come from?
Denmark.
Denmark.
I've had one of them.
Is that one?
Yeah. Good bike.
You know what? They're perfect. No, you can wear them out in the evening.
Oh, ice cream. Some ice cream.
See this Irish bar here?
This is
Yeah.
what we got kicked out of.
This one on
Did
your
you?
right here.
Yeah.
This is where we got kicked out.
You got kicked out.
Two people we were with were that drunk they fell on the stage.
We were on stage while there was a band on.
Neil McBride's on tonight.
Oh dear.
It's proper quirky though, isn't it? It is like going back in time coming into an old Irish bar. Yeah. Try it after.
Yeah. I've got you.
Oh, I tried them once at cannoli.
Fucking hell, oh, I love them.
What? No.
No?
No.
No.
Tried it,
Crispy
hated it.
crispy
No.
outside. Depends what filling you.
I don't know what I had, it was bought for me. Try that, eat that.
They've revamped the cocktail.
Yeah, no. Here's the place you like on the corner. This is where we met a load of Irish people and Yorkshire people and everything here. The Yankees. Tweaking a peek as we walk along.
She keeps trying to look, yeah, she does.
She'll get them.
No, she won't get anything. She's only got 3 prayers.
We're not sad, these aren't sandwiches. We're not dressed sandwiches.
Do you want to sit with the pigeon or do you want to sit
Are
inside?
we actually going here then?
Yeah? Alright.
I'll sit here, I'm not bothered.
Right, what do you want, Liz?
I'll have an Arctic lemonade if you've got it.
And